We needed some clamps to hold some stuff together, and we didn't have any clamps. But we did have some closet rod and some pipe coupling. So today we made clamps. Actually, I wanted to yield 2 slides out of this coupling. We don't necessarily have the greatest way to cut it, and we don't have vice grips. So slid it on here and like really jammed it on there, and that'll be my holder to take it over to the bandsaw. We can actually cut the rest of the threads, and it'll slide on this stuff even nicer. Here, let me just start up the bandsaw for you. I forgot I never bolted. It's a work in progress. Our R&D department is really quite hard at work. Hey, whatever you gotta do to get the job done. I was gonna say that, let me shut it off. I could feel when I got to the wood or whatever, and it's a nice way to separate them. Now we're gonna have 2 sliding collars. Finally got him. We don't even have to sand the dowel. Wow, it's not a perfect dowel. We're within parameters. This guy's just nice and snug. Like, it doesn't go anywhere. Set it to where you want. That'll be a good one. Anyway, the idea, we needed a stop. So whatever stop we have, we could slide these guys down, put in a pin, slide in some wedges, and we got our clamps. I end up cutting my hair off at this point. So the idea was have one, we're just using this temporarily. The other one then will have 1 thickness. We're hoping just flush here by just adding ever so slight, just flat spot to it. I mean, nothing major, something to get a little bit of a purchase on there. Position is set. And I'll just take that down until flush over here. All these people have been dead past patent and copyright trademark. Just to make the step-offs easier, I'm doing them at 1-inch increments. We're actually going 1/2-inch increments. Basically, I'll just mark it off to be able to read, don't I? There's our 1/2-inch step-off. We just gotta drill all these. Make sure she line up some. Yeah, I'm just gonna screw it in. We only had 2 brass screws. That's what we're going with. We gotta open the bottle. Good music, too. And I'm oddly really happy with the sink. Oh, right as I say that. Because the screw is actually going in there really nice. Solid brass. I'm not worrying about clocking it. I'm just worrying about snug. Oh, it ain't bad at all. Whoop, 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 potato. The idea is this guy goes down on in. Oh my God, with the wax on it? Actual moment of joy. I mean, this is an 1/8-inch drill bit, which you can use. I was breaking enough of the rotary pieces. Figured we have enough of those as pin. You pin it and you slide. So far, so good. We had a bunch of paint sticks. Of course, like I said, a handrail, couple pins, with that coupling down, and you put a pin in and it just completely locks it in place. Yeah, we could still do little teeter-totter things to kind of keep it stable. So when you load up, I don't know, 2 paint sticks. If you wanted to clamp it, you would go to like the bigger hole and slide your guy back. A couple of wedges. Wedges would get in here like so. I'll just get that one to temporarily hold. Same thing with these ones. It's actually holding together pretty tight. I'm gonna try and pick it up and show you. Maybe it'll fall apart too. That'll be fun too. You can position them pretty flat. Essentially, you'd be ready to go with your glue on. It holds together pretty good. Should be good enough to clamp up some paint sticks. I dig it. One of my esteemed colleagues had just pointed out that it's perfect for the miter track. We never actually put the feet on to keep it from teeter-totter. So anyways, yeah, this is the whole point anyway, was just to glue up. Backing off one. I'm liking that. We just gotta add some glue. Oh, hell yeah. Showing that they're all still laying flat. And it was closet rod. I called it handrail, but it's technically closet rod. Rotary tools, shafts that will say the tip broke. That should glue up real nice. They turned out pretty nice. We actually whacked most of this to keep any glue from gluing itself. Some old handrail, an old plumbing coupling, some freaking paint sticks. I don't think it's too bad. That's exactly what they're meant for, is actually gluing together more paint sticks. Why would you want to glue together a bunch of paint sticks? I guess you'll have to tune in next week for that one.